In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add time zone in Outlook Calendar 225, step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Outlook. Click the official Outlook site to launch the web version. If you use Outlook regularly, consider bookmarking the page so you can return to it quickly in the future. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you're using the correct personal or work account, especially if you manage multiple profiles. Being in the right account ensures the time zone you add appears in the calendar you actually use for meetings and reminders. Once you land on the Outlook homepage, look to the left side of the screen and select the calendar icon. This switches you from Mail to your calendar view. You should now see your weekly or monthly grid. To bring up the options you need, click any blank time slot on the calendar. Clicking an empty tile opens the event creation pane, which includes controls related to time zones for that event. In the event pane, find and click time zones. This reveals the time zone settings for the event and provides a shortcut to deeper calendar preferences, which is what we want here. Now click edit time zones. This takes you to your calendar's time zone settings page, where you can manage how additional time zones appear across your calendar, not just in a single event. On the settings page, choose add time zone. This lets you display an extra time zone alongside your primary one, which is especially useful if you schedule across regions or collaborate with teams in different cities. Use the search box to look up a city that represents the time zone you want. Searching by city is often more accurate than searching by country because it accounts for regional differences and daylight saving rules. If your exact city doesn't appear, pick the closest major city in the same time zone. When you're happy with the selection, click Save. Outlook applies the change to your calendar view and to event tools, making it easier to compare times and avoid scheduling mistakes. You should notice the added time zone reflected in the calendar layout or available when setting event times. Finally, click the X to close the settings pane and return to your calendar. You're all set. From here, you can create or adjust events with confidence, cross-checking your primary time against the new time zone. If you ever need to change or remove it, you can return to the same settings area and update it at any time.